Hey there! Is your Panasonic TV screen flickering and driving you crazy? Don't worry, you're not alone, and you're in the right place. In this guide, we'll walk you through steps on how to fix Panasonic TV screen flickering, ensuring you can get back to watching your favorite shows in peace. Say goodbye to those distracting blinks and enjoy a smooth viewing experience once more. Step 1. Check and secure all connections. One of the most common causes of screen flickering is loose or faulty connections. Begin by inspecting all cables connected to your Panasonic TV. Ensure HDMI, power, and any other cords are securely attached and not damaged. If you find any frayed or bent cables, replace them immediately. A simple step like tightening or repositioning your cables might just resolve the flickering issue. Step 2. Update your TV's firmware. Outdated firmware can often lead to screen flickering. Navigate to your Panasonic TV's settings menu, follow the on-screen instructions to check for and install the latest firmware updates. Updating can solve a myriad of issues by bringing system improvements and bug fixes. Once updated, restart your TV to see if the flickering issue persists. Step 3. Adjust picture settings. Sometimes tweaking your TV's picture settings can reduce or eliminate flickering. Head to the Settings menu and explore the Picture or Display options. Start by turning off settings like motion smoothing or noise reduction, as these can sometimes cause flickering. Experiment with other settings such as brightness and contrast to find a configuration that reduces the flickering phenomenon. Step 4. Test other input devices. To identify if the issue lies with your TV or an external device, switch between different input sources. Try using other connected devices such as a Blu-ray player, gaming console, or another HDMI port. If the flickering only occurs with a particular device, the problem may stem from that device or its connection. You can also try using a different HDMI cable or port to rule out potential faults. Step 5. Perform a TV reset. If all else fails, performing a factory reset might be necessary. This action will return your Panasonic TV to its original settings, resolving any configuration issues that could cause the flicker. Navigate to the Reset or General section in the Settings menu and follow the instructions to complete a factory reset. Remember to note down your preferences and settings, as you will need to customize your TV again post-reset. Step 6. Consult a professional. If the screen flickering issue persists after exhausting all troubleshooting options, it may be time to seek professional assistance. Contact Panasonic customer support or consult with a professional technician to diagnose and fix the problem. It's possible that your TV may have an internal hardware issue beyond basic troubleshooting. Whether it's securing connections, updating firmware, or adjusting picture settings, these steps will help you tackle the annoying problem of screen flickering on your Panasonic TV. While some solutions are simple and quick, others might require professional assistance. By following this guide on how to fix Panasonic TV screen flickering, you'll be back to enjoying your favorite content in no time. Prioritize taking small, actionable steps to see immediate improvements, and don't hesitate to reach out for help if needed.